Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make this screen recorder by using React. So first of all I need to share you something, how can you create this React app by uh, simple using media library, and you can create your own screen recorder with your own self for making YouTube videos, or maybe you want to use anywhere. So you can use this screen recorder for making on screen videos, and you can record your screen for your meeting and many things you can achieve this. So how can I achieve this, and how can I create this screen recorder with microphone? So first of all you need to, I just go to into creating the React app. So I have a folder like this, and I'm just creating a new folder here. Name this screen right. In this folder we just open cmd one prompt, and command prompt you have to write. First of all you create your uh, you can say that React app. So I'm just creating the React app, npm create white target latest, and here's my app name, but I don't want app name because I'm already in the folder. So here you need to add your dash template, and is this React, right? I hit enter and wait for a while. I'm just pausing the video. Now I resume. Here is I resume my video. So here you need to select. I just want to create the React app, and here is we have to select JavaScript plus SWC. So now our app has been done. So here you can see this is our app. So what is the next step? We just need to add a tailwind css. So how can I add this tailwind css? I just want to add install sd tailwind css space post css auto fixer, right? Hit enter. I'm just pausing the video again. So my code has been done. So now the second part is auto fixer has been done. So what should we do this? We just initialize the tailwind css. So I just add the new command or npx tailwind css in it, right? So it will initialize your tailwind css. Now it has been done. We have created the initialize css, and now just you go towards in the code dot, right? So here you can see our code editor has been opened. So you can see my code editor is opened. So in that Kelvin CSS we just paste our code. You can see, so it's important. So in the slide of app.css we don't need this, and we just add our Tailwind code, right? So now our project has been ready, and now we have to go towards an app.jsx folder. Here we need to call on the component. So I just remove all this thing. First of all, we need to check our, there is the node module. So I just have to npm install first. Resuming my recording. So our package has been installed, right? So what should we do this? We just and we have to run this application and so we can see this our application how it works. So it open the this port. So we just do copy this port because I have already worked for 5173. So this is our code, right? So 5174. Now you can see our tailwind has been working. So here is need to add tailwind. I just remove this line of code. It's simple, so don't worry about anything. I just add tail, right? No need to test this. I just plus my code editor so you can see this right easily. So here we need to add check class name and system. Is it work or not? We'll see. So here is no code. So I just add something else. So you can see our code is working fine. So what should we do this? We just need to add something. I'm just creating the component called screen recorder. Inside this, I just create a component called screen recorder. Recorder.jsx, right? Inside this component, I just write RFCs, right? So here we need to add the code, and inside the app.jsx, I just add component screen recorder, right? So here is a screen record component. Inside the screen record component, we just need to add something line of code. So first of all, we just add this line. We need to use the state, use reference, and use a factor, right? And here we need to three state. So I just enter this function. Here we have a three state: set is recording, set is pause, set is video URL, and this pause and this one. So we need a function called, we need the use references of MediaRecorder reference. So here we need to add MediaRecorder functions like this. So inside of need to add the function to start recording, right? I just copy this code. So I will, you can see our code is so long, so I don't have enough time to write this code. So you can start recording. There you can see I will show the code into the GitHub so you can find easily, right? Here I just need to copy this code and paste it this, right? So I will give you the understanding of this code, how it works. So it is recording, and this is the query, and start recording is the, this is the API, MediaQuery API, get display media always. So one thing keep in your mind, this video will record it in the WebM, so you need to convert it into the MP4 because this is the website, so it will give you the WebM extension of the video. If you want a MP4, you need to use third-party libraries so you can convert it into the MP4 or either FLV. So if you want to convert your video into the MP4 or FLV, so you can use the third-party library, right? So I'm not using this third-party library because it's not supported in the browser compatibility, right? So you can use the server side as server side. Either you can create an API or backend, then you can achieve this. So this is on stop, and everything is okay. Resuming recording, stop recording, and this is the shortcut key. If you want to start recording, so you can press R, so it will start recording. And how this handle is covered, event is covered, it will covered into this. So I use the use effect is recording, and this pause is the dependency of the use effect, right? So Don't be worried about that. If you have any query according to this, so you may ask me by commenting. And this is the HTML DOM, and here I just show you everything fine, everything. So you can design your own self and you can achieve this. So this is the screen recording script. So you can see here, I just refresh this page. So this is the start recording, screen recording with your microphone. So you can click this and you can achieve this by any kind of changes like HTML or CSS, maybe or Tailwind CSS. So you can do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, so you may ask me in comment below. Thank you. Goodbye.